At this newly built estate, you'll find some beautiful and sustainably designed homes that are built to consume less energy. Within them, you'll find our LG home battery packages and some really happy LG home battery package customers. So sustainable living, it sounds like a really cool thing.
Yeah, we love it, honestly. We live in a sustainable house in a sustainable village, and we've got the added benefit that we actually feel good about that contribution we're making to the environment. So it really has been positive and something we're very, very proud of.
Yeah, and you've got a lot of sustainable appliances in this home as well. I mean, your battery certainly fits into that, doesn't it?
Absolutely. We've been very lucky that the developer has put really high-end sustainable products in the house. It was a selling point and something that attracted us to the house. Now, having the LG battery fits perfectly in with that. Yeah. It's a fantastic brand, world-renowned, and we've got the confidence now that it's backed by that brand. The other thing we found, this is our first foray into sustainable living, to be quite honest with you, and we were a little bit concerned about the initial upfront cost. Very pleasantly surprised. LG kept the price down, and not only that, we're now actually seeing the benefits bill by bill on a monthly basis.
Mm-hmm. And you talk about benefits, you've got the lovely pool out the back, and if you're anything like me, I love to look at the app and know that the pool pump's running, the solar's taking care of that, the battery's being filled up, and at night time the battery's going to support my home.
Look, I do. I actually check the app. We do have all the things like the pool, which has been very expensive to run in the old house. I check the app to actually watch the energy move from the solar, be stored in the battery, and then I use it overnight time. It's been fantastic. We actually had a blackout a month or so ago, and we had power during the blackout.
That's a great feeling too.
Never had it before.
Well, the good thing about living in the Norman estate is that everybody's got a battery, so this whole estate would be nice and bright while the blackout is unfortunately in other suburbs.
I won't say we feel guilty about it, but no, it is. It's great. It's actually peace of mind. It's very, very assuring because, you know, being in a blackout can be confrontational. You've got the ability to lose goods from your fridge and freezer, etc. We know, and we have peace of mind, whether we're here or not during a blackout, that's not occurring.
Well, Chris, your thoughts are mirroring so many people around the world and around the country that have LG home batteries in their home. And for me, it's a very exciting thing to hear it firsthand from you and from others like you, because that's what we're here for. We're here to give everybody the backup that they deserve. And I thank you very much for spending time.
No, well, thank you. And just like to reiterate that thank you for that, but we actually feel good as a family knowing that in a very small way, we're contributing as well to the environment, and that's a nice feeling.
Thanks, Chris.
We've seen a really well thought out installation by Mainstream Electrical of LG products. And we've also seen what it means to Chris to have an LG home battery package installed. You know, it seems to be that there's a fair bit of pride in doing something good for the environment. There's also a fair bit of peace of mind in using a trusted brand like LG Energy Solution.
Get started on your own sustainable journey by contacting your local LG Energy Solution certified installer. And check out our range of batteries at lghomebattery.com.au. LG Energy Solution will always be there to back you up.